Hey, I'm JT with WTI, and if you want the versatility of both sheer and blackout motorized blinds, then you have to check out these dual motor day and night shades from ZSHINE. We chose the white blackout and white sheer for a simple and clean look. The blackout is great at night, or if we watch a movie during the day to block the glare. The sheer blind is perfect for allowing in light, but blocking some of the heat of the sun. The motors are rechargeable with an included long USB-C cable. Once you get it installed, which is pretty straightforward, the instructions help set the top and bottom limits using the remote so it stops exactly where you want it to stop. Once that's done, if you have conventional motors like these, you can add them to Google Home or Amazon Assistant if you have a hub like this Broadlink RM Pro or something similar that can send out the right RF frequency. Even just with the remote though, having motorized shades is a great tool for a home office, a bedroom, or TV viewing area, so you can adjust the sunlight coming in without even getting up. These blinds come in so many fabric colors and types, from solid colors, prints, sheer, semi-sheer, and blackout, with some of the fabric styles available with or without blackout backing. In the sample sets they gave me, I counted 106 options. So make sure to look at all the options, or even ask about more if you're searching for a special look. So if you're looking for motorized shades that give you a ton of flexibility depending on the need and also keep a super tidy look, don't turn a blind eye to these dual motor blinds from ZSHINE. And that's my point of view.